In today's video, we will provide you with a full guide on how to allow new members to see older messages in Telegram group chats. If you want to ensure that new members have access to the chat history, follow these simple steps. Open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in the Telegram app, go to the group chat for which you want to allow new members to see older messages. Tap on the group's name located at the top right corner. In the group information page, tap on the pencil icon or a similar edit option to access the group settings. Look for the chat history option and tap on it to open the chat history settings. Within the chat history settings, locate the visible option and tap on it. This will ensure that new members can see the older messages in the group chat. By following these steps, you can easily allow new members to see older messages in your Telegram group chat, ensuring a seamless integration for everyone joining the conversation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.